I choose to design the layout this way to be clean and easy to navigate. By grouping similar items together, the system helps users input their book information without feeling lost or confused. Having buttons like Add and Cancel placed where they're easy to find makes it quick and efficient for users to complete their tasks. Keeping a consistent design across different parts of the system makes it feel familiar and comfortable for users. This includes using the same button styles and fonts throughout. I also added a new window so that the users can edit their book informations like the quantity of books. In a library management system, the main focus should be on the content like books and authors. So I designed the system this way to minimize distractions and emphasize the content of the system. I choose a nice looking design that can really engage users. So choosing soft, neutral colors or a theme that fits the library vibe can create a welcoming space for everyone. So once the user saves the book, the database will store automatically the updated or added book information.